Good morning everybody, we're Matt and Dorinda and we're relaxing somewhere.
And we're currently in New York, and in this video we're going to check out a few more iconic places to see in the city.
So our first stop today is a location I've wanted to come to my entire life, and we've got off the subway and we're at Coney Island. So our first stop here in Coney Island is at the amusement parks.
Yeah, and they've got two amusement parks here, side by side. And they are massive, they are jammed, so many rides in, it's unbelievable.
I don't think there's a foot of space without a ride or a funfair attraction on it.
Yeah, it's really cool.
There's two really iconic rides down here on Coney Island. One being the Cyclone and the other one being the Big Wheel, and they're both built in the 1920s.
Yeah, the Cyclone's a wooden roller coaster. It looks a bit scary. It doesn't look like it's open at the moment, but it looks like they're setting up the ride, so we might go on one later on. We'll have to wait and see.
Yeah, because we're quite early in the morning and it's going to get a lot busier, I think.
So, yeah.
So we've walked through the amusement park and we've come to the boardwalk here on Coney Island, and the first thing that surprised me was how long it is.
It really is a long boardwalk. It's a lovely boardwalk and it's got a lovely golden sand beach. Really nice.
Yeah, there's quite a few people on the beach today. It's a lovely day here. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and I think it's going to get a lot busier.
I do, yeah, because there's a lot of people milling around, isn't there?
But this is really nice. It's strange though, because it really does remind me of an old seaside town in England somewhere.
Yeah, I think it's really cool.
Yeah. So another iconic thing here on Coney Island is Nathan's Hot Dogs, and we're heading there now.
Yeah, so Nathan's Hot Dogs is quite a famous place because it's been here since 1916, so it's a really old business. But they also do the 4th of July hot dog eating competition. So yeah, it's quite an iconic thing to see here.
There's two Nathans here on Coney Island. They got one on the boardwalk, but the original one is the big one we're heading to, and it's right on the corner of the street as you get to the amusement park.
Let's go and grab a hot dog. So Matthew's always wanted to try a Nathan's Hot Dogs on Coney Island.
I have.
What do you think?
I thought it was absolutely brilliant. I wasn't disappointed in the slightest. They were really nice hot dogs.
They were really good.
We had the chili fries as well. They're famous. They were lovely as well.
Yeah.
Really different, not like anything we get back in the UK. That was nice.
Yeah, good food.
But I have always wanted to come to Coney Island since I was a little kid, and I'm really glad I put the effort in today because I haven't been disappointed in the slightest. It's everything I imagined it would be.
Yeah, it's a cool place.
Yeah, fantastic. So we've just got off the subway and we're at our second location of the day, and we're walking under the Manhattan Bridge. It is so noisy.
Yeah, it's not doing it now because of filming, but it is really noisy around here. But we're actually in Dumbo, and Dumbo is an acronym for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass, and it's a very trendy, up-and-coming area in New York. So we've come down to an iconic photo shoot spot in Dumbo? I don't know.
It's a real Instagram's love, isn't it? The
Yeah.
Instagrammers love this one.
You can take a picture of the Manhattan Bridge, and it's sort of squared up with, is it the Empire State Building in the middle of it?
Yeah, you can see the Empire State Building right in the middle.
But yes, we come down here and it's those people down here taking pictures.
That's all it is. It's just a real photo shoot spot. I did think the road was pedestrianised. I got to be honest, I'm quite surprised because people are getting in the way of all the cars that are trying to drive around here.
Drive through, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've come down to Waterfront Park here in Dumbo. It's right on the river, right on the East River, so you can sit and get amazing views across the river.
It would be a lovely, peaceful, tranquil place to sit and see the beautiful views of the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan skyline. But that bridge, that Manhattan Bridge, is so loud, and there's helicopters flying over. It's really not tranquil. This is the second time we've had to record us sitting here talking about this, because the first time it was so loud. So now we're at our next location today, and we're walking over the Brooklyn Bridge.
Yeah, it's a pretty old bridge. It was built 1883, but it's so cool that you can walk across it, and all the cars are kind of going underneath you either side of you.
The views of Manhattan as you're walking over this bridge are absolutely jaw-dropping. It's fantastic.
Yeah, the views both sides are amazing.
Don't know if picking midday of what is apparently the hottest day of the year was the best idea, because it's really hot today.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a breeze up here, but it's so hot.
So we finished walking over the Brooklyn Bridge. That was so hot. So we've stopped for a beer. And now we're monetised, and you can actually buy us a beer if you like. So why not buy us a beer, and we'll give you a shout out while we make our video and say thank you for buying us a beer. So now we're in Chinatown, and I think the first thing that surprised me is how big it is.
Yeah, we really didn't realise how big this Chinatown was. It's massive. There's just streets and streets of it. It's cool.
Yeah, so we're going to have a walk around, have a bit of an explore, and see if we can find something to eat.
Yeah. So we were originally looking for egg custard tarts because we love them, but the first bakery we went in didn't have any, but they did have mooncakes, so we bought a pineapple mooncake, so I'm going to give it a try now. It's so heavy, it's a really heavy... Oh yeah, look. It's really stuffed with pineapple. Oh, it's really nice.
This really is a really big Chinatown. It reminds me a lot of Kowloon in Hong Kong, but the buildings aren't as tall, but it's still the same sounds and smells. I adore a Chinatown, I really do.
Right next door to Chinatown is Little Italy, and we've just walked through it, and oh, it's so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's full of little restaurants and gift shops and bars. It's stonking.
It's beautiful.
It's fantastic. I kind of regret not coming here at night because I think it would look amazing at night.
Yeah, they've got lights all the way up for the streets and all the sort of outside bar areas have got lights in them, so it would look really pretty at night as well.
Yeah. highly recommended. This
Yeah.
is a real visit when you come to New York.
Definitely worth a look. So that ends another fantastic day in New York. This city is brilliant, so much to see, so much to do, it's amazing.
Yeah, another absolutely fantastic day, it really was. Relaxing somewhere. Thank you for watching.
And if you like this video, check out our other New York videos, because we've done a couple now, and leave us a comment and don't forget to subscribe.